Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use Canva for professional CV designs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for a professional CV design with the help of Canva, all you can do is simply go and tap open your Canva app. Once you open your Canva application or website, you need to get logged in. Once you have done this, in the template section, you can simply type in CV. Once you type in the CV option, you can get different design templates that will help you design your CV. So search for the one that looks very professional. Once you select it, you can now customize this template according to your choice. You can simply edit the text, you can change the color, you can change the fonts and make it look more appealing and according to your style. So there are like thousands of templates that you can search for, and once you have selected one, you can simply start customizing it. So you can use Canva this way to create a professional CV. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.